In this video, I'll show you how to connect Apify to N8N, creating a seamless setup for web scraping and automated data processing. Start by creating a new workflow in N8N. Workflows are the core of automation, letting you connect multiple apps and tasks efficiently. Next, add the Apify node to your workflow. This node gives you access to the power of the Apify platform, which specializes in web scraping tasks. Once the node is in place, select your Apify credentials. This step is essential for secure communication between N8N and Apify. If you haven't set up your credentials yet, navigate to the credentials section in N8N and input your API information from your Apify account. Now it's time to choose the action you want to perform. Apify provides several options. Run actor, launch a designated actor quickly for scraping. Run actor and get dataset, launch the actor and retrieve scraped data directly. Scrape single URL or quickly grab content from a single page, whether text, HTML or Markdown. Other actions access results from the last run, datasets or key value store records. After selecting the action, configure the necessary inputs such as actor ID, run parameters, and dataset ID. This ensures Apify knows exactly what to scrape and how to process it. Finally, think about how you want to handle the scraped data. You can add nodes to your workflow for further processing, store it in Google Sheets, organize it in Airtable, or share it via Slack. N8N's flexibility makes it easy to integrate with other tools to suit your workflow. By following these steps, you will have a fully functional web scraping workflow, connecting Apify with N8N, saving time and increasing efficiency. Happy automating!